Hey friends, welcome to another product review. As always, I'm going to link this item in the description below if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. Let's get on with the unboxing. Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the XREXS digital wall clock. This one is battery operated. It features a large display with temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. The day, the date, has a timer, has an alarm, has a bunch of stuff, and it comes with a remote as well. Let's check it out here, my friends. Bum, bum, bum. First things first. Very nice packaging on this one. It's going to be well protected here. So there's the clock part, and then we have, here is the remote in here, and that's it. So nicely packaged. We'll check out the remote here real quick. So this one is all white, I believe. It comes in black, white, blue, and silver are the colors you can get the clock in. So this is a nice white color, goes with pretty much everything. Display on off. So there is the remote right there. Has everything you need right on there. That's pretty sweet. Okay, and we're going to be setting up this clock. Also show you guys how to mount it and everything. So, all right, this comes with batteries as well. So slide this out here. All right. So this can be wall mounted. It has the holes here, and also has this nice little stand, so you can just set it on your desk or whatever if you want to as well. There's that cover on there. So there it is. There is the display. It's good size, you can see. I'm going to put our batteries in here, and we'll set this thing up. I don't know. Well, let's actually see what else we have in the bag so far. So here we have the wall mount, super handy for mounting this on the wall. All you need is a level, stick this on there. Right where the X marks a spot, you punch a little hole there. That's going to mark where your screws go, and then you can just attach that to the wall. Here we have our manual, how to set the date and time and all that. Our cover for our batteries. And it also comes with 2, 4, 5. So it comes with all the batteries we need as well. That is everything in there. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So we can take our AAA batteries, and those little guys go right in there, like that. The flat part goes on the spring. So that's for battery backup. Oop, it beeped already. That's letting me know. I think the batteries are getting... That'll beep to let you know the other batteries are getting old here. Oops. It would help if I take the plastic off. I've got plastic on each of these little batteries here, so I'm just going to take that off real quick here. Okay, these takes 4 AA's for our main display. And once again, the flat portion goes by the spring. And the pointy part goes on the little non-spring portion. Okay, our battery cover goes like that. The tabs go in first, and push that in. So here we have that. You can see how large the clock display is. That is nice. It has backlight on, off, and low. So there's that. Okay. Or high, low, and off. It's the backlight. Okay, so we are going to show you how to set this clock up real quick, and it just takes a few seconds here. Let's see. All right, our remote has a couple batteries in there as well. Make sure you gotta take the, it comes wrapped in these little plastic parts that keep the ends from touching anything. So you gotta take the plastic off to make sure it works. Okay, just put those in there the same way. The flat part with the, and just tap that into place. Okay, to set our clock, what you want to do is you want to hold down the Celsius Fahrenheit button on the back. Hold that down until it shows the 4 things like that. And we're going to go on that. Okay, we're going to hold down the Celsius Fahrenheit button. That's going to bring up those 4 lines there. Hit the set button here. And then you, it's going to give you the day in what language you want. French, or let's see, Spanish, Denmark, Russian, English. So plus and minus to go up and down. And then set to get at that one. On. Daylight savings time on, set, and then the time, it's 7:42, so go plus, oops, Monday, it's Saturday, so we'll go set on Saturday, the day, plus 2, what, it's 2, set, and then 11. Okay. Set month 2, set that, and it's going to have the time here, 7. And hit set. And 43. Don't hit the plus button there. Just the plus here. 41, 42, 43, and the set button. Okay, so (2022). Okay, so that's the year, sorry. So 2022 plus 2023, and that gives me Saturday. Okay. 2/11, 7:43, and there we go. So we have this, the temperature and everything all set up right there. A nice, good sized display, and if the light's out, let's see, does it have the, you can turn the display on or off also. So pretty cool clock here. Definitely good size, so wherever you see it, wherever you put it, you can see what the time is. And it's not super bright, but still bright enough. And you can have the alarm set. It has buttons back here if you run out of batteries for your remote control. So there's that. So installation too, if you want to wall mount this, like I said, it's super easy. I'm probably not going to be including a video to wall mount this one. I might just leave this here on the desk or something. But like I said, just get a level and put this wherever you want your holes to be, and then get some nice sheetrock anchors if you're putting it in sheetrock, or just some regular screws. Just make sure that the head of the screw here is a little bit bigger than this hole here that you're going to put it into the back of the thing here. So just so you make sure the head will hold the thing and not pop off of there. So that's what I'm talking about, is the back of this right here. You want a little bit bigger, or just slightly smaller than that hole, so when it goes in and slides up, it's not going to fall off the wall there. So just get a level, put it on top of this, get like a screwdriver or something sharp. You can poke the hole right in the center of that crosshair there, after you make sure it's all leveled and where you want it to be. And then that's where you just screw your screws into the wall right there, and then put your just hang your clock right on there. Super easy. Yeah, so pretty impressed with this. It's easy to set up. A nice display. The alarm and everything is nice and loud. You're probably not going to be able to sleep through it. I mean, some people are like super heavy sleepers, but this one is, well, I guess if you can sleep through some people don't sleep through anything. So the remote is easy to work with, and you don't have to like point it directly at the remote to turn it off, or at the clock to turn it off. It doesn't have to have line of sight. It's kind of like infrared or something. I'm not sure what's working with radio frequencies or something, but that is that, guys. If you're looking for a handy little clock, then this one will probably suffice you quite nicely. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.